Hello guys, it's me, Sir Pencil the artist, and good morning here in the Philippines. And I'm here right now trying to draw this alien. And my main purpose is to practice only my skills when it comes to shading. And I'm trying to use this XP pen if it is working good, you know. And I'm looking forward to share this artwork in my Instagram and also to XP Pen since they have an event, and I hope you will like it. Okay, and yeah, I was enjoying to sketch using this tablet. Nag-enjoy ako dito kasi maganda yung ano niya, yung yung tablet. Halos lahat nagamit ko ng maayos. Yun. Natutuwa lang kasi ako dahil nakapag-drawing ako gamit yung tablet. Itong tablet na to. Kasi nung una, medyo mahirap siyang gamitin. Pero nung inulit-ulit ko ulit, dapat pala dinidiinan lang yung yung pen. Maganda siyang gamitin, madulas siyang gamitin. Yun nga lang medyo alalay lang sa pagdodrawing sa pen. Yun. Itong alien na to, nakatuwaan ko lang to kasi tuwang-tuwa ako sa mga alien eh. Yung sa mukha, talagang ano ko lang yun, naisip ko lang yan. May nagsasabi may kahawig daw pero ayoko naman magbanggit kung sino yun. Basta hinahayaan ko na lang mag-drawing dito. Yun. Nilalagyan ko siya ng mga shading kasi importante may shading ang drawing dahil yun ang nagbibigay ng buhay sa drawing. Kahit tingnan mo medyo transparent siya kasi kukulayan ko pa yan. Pero ang mangyayari, mas mangingibabaw mas mangingibabaw yung black na na tawag dito na ink. So I hope you like it guys, okay? And please subscribe to my channel, and if ever I finish this and color it, I'll just post it again, okay? So please bear with me if I speak my own language, As you can see, I'm using a different kinds of brushes, okay? So anyway, thank you very much.